Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the EarnTV token. Ticker symbol is ETV. Now it's just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the EarnTV token. So like I said, ticker symbol is ETV. This token will be listed November 20th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ETV, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, EarnTV is a blockchain-based cross-platform video content delivery protocol built to benefit everyone from viewers to content owners and advertisers. Now, this token is on the Polygon blockchain. According to their Polygon scan, it says 135 holders so far, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 1 billion ETV tokens. Now, they have a Twitter. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen over there, at EarnTV_. They have 10,800 Twitter followers. You can also find their webpage linked on there, earntv.io. And over there on their webpage, they have a full white paper as well. Blue verified check mark on their Twitter, over 3,200 tweets. And their Telegram is at EarnTV_chat with over 6,000 Telegram members. So they're doing very well on their socials. So EarnTV is a blockchain-based multi-platform video content protocol built to service everyone from content owners and advertisers to end users by leveraging a system of smart contracts. Novel tokenomics and innovative NFT use cases were able to deliver a platform that simplifies aggregation, marketing, and distribution, opens new monetization pathways, and ensures everyone is rewarded fairly, including audiences. EarnTV is built by media industry veterans with more than 70 years combined experience in both television and cinema, hailing from all sectors including production, marketing, advertising, and distribution. With our deep connections to the largest film and television distributors in the world, EarnTV is uniquely positioned to bridge the gap between existing streamlined services and the exciting world of blockchain. Must-see titles and star-studded events attract mainstream audiences to the platform, while tokenized reward models make them stay. For content owners, our team is readily available to assist you with your transition on-chain. Because of the way EarnTV engages users, advertisers on the platform will have opportunities to target their audiences in exciting new ways. Attention rewards, e-commerce tie-ins, NFT opportunities, and data-driven results improve the effectiveness of your marketing strategies while also delivering value for your target markets. EarnTV is powered by the ETV, the native token. And the token is distributed as rewards throughout the platform and can be used for subscription discounts, event access, TVOD payments, and the NFT marketplace. Exciting strategic partnerships also mean that ETV can be spent in a large network of retail stores. Advertisers and content owners can choose to pay fees and be paid in ETV, including payments for ad spots, ensuring both demand for the token and the stable token environment. EarnTV's innovative reward infrastructure is divided into 3 key areas: stream to earn, refer to earn, organize to earn. The platform addresses several key challenges currently facing the entertainment industry: a lack of universally beneficial revenue models, a missing link between audiences and creators, a lack of content currently available on decentralized services, the barrier that exists between advertisers, audiences, and product sales. So on their webpage, you can find all sorts of links at the top of the page. It says movies and documentaries, fast channels, offers, rewarding activities, become an ambassador, contact information. You can register now to watch, engage, and earn. It says unlimited movies, documentaries, and 200 premium thematic channels with rewards. It says get it on Google Play and download on the App Store. Stream EarnTV anywhere. Find the channels you love through search and on live TV. Add them to your favorites and see them first on your channel lineup. Target your community. We connect advertisers with the right audiences thanks to our content fandom built on blockchain. EarnTV works with top-tier studios and right holders globally. Target your community with our Web3 streaming platform based on a wide range of unifying thematic content classified by genres. They have channel partners, so work with us to grow your business today, or ad sales and sponsorships. Become a partner, target a qualified audience at the cutting edge of new technologies. So they have a button at the bottom of the page. It says where to watch, privacy policy, links to their socials, and you can check all of this out at earntv.io. And if you go over to MEXC's Twitter at MEXC_official, they do have a Launchpad event where you can earn airdrops by committing MX tokens in this Launchpad event, or you could just wait until November 20th at 12 o'clock UTC time to when this token gets listed on MEXC. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about EarnTV and their token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.